Hey everybody, welcome into Rock Painting 101. Today we are doing some fun and beautiful ombre hearts. Now I previously recorded this over on our Facebook channel live, so if you hear me talking to people in the background, that's why. But feel free, go ahead and subscribe here on YouTube. I'll be uploading a lot of these lives so that you can see them over here as well. Let me know what you think of these in the comments. They're perfect for anybody at any skill level. They just turn out so beautiful, and how awesome are these for kindness rocks to hide around town. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a heart on here, and I'm using these flat stones because I have some and I thought they'd look cute on this, but this can definitely be done on any rock that you have. And I'm just very lightly going to put my heart shape on here. You can't probably even see it because the pencil lead kind of matches the rock a little bit, but just give yourself a quick little outline to kind of aim for, okay? And I'm going to start with my white first, and I'm just using my larger pens. These are the 5M pens. I don't use these that often, and so I thought, you know what, this is gonna be a great way to use them a little bit. So I'm gonna start down in the point here. I'm just gonna start dotting, and I'm gonna go along that outline up in both directions, and then fill in my point just a little bit. I'm not overthinking it. We're going to go over this multiple times, just like so, and then we're going to scatter a few in the center like that. Pretty simple. And then you can use whatever color you want for your second color. I did purple here. I'm going to do a light blue one with this. You could do pinks, you could do yellow, whatever color you want to do. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to finish my outline with my blue, dot all the way around my arches and down the side to about where my white's at. And then I'm going to start filling in the tops. Now the biggest thing is you want to bounce up and down. You don't want to click your pen, but you want to dab up and down. I've done some pointillism hearts before on the page where we mixed two colors, but we didn't blend them like we're going to do today. The biggest thing is to bounce up and down so you don't get hash marks. We want dots for this design. And as you layer them, they're going to get a little bit fuzzy together. So we're going to go right into our white, right on top of the pen. You want to work back and forth while your paint's still wet. And we're going to dab back and forth right along that line where we had some of the white. We're going to get our blue mixed in there. And then once we're seeing lighter dots of blue, I'm going to hold it kind of upward here. Then we're going to dot down into our white a little bit more just to get some more blue down in that area. Just like that. And then we're going to dot a few more up high on our heart, like that. Now doodle off the tip of your pen. You don't want to carry that white back in. Then we're going to go right back to our white. Again, I always start at the bottom where it's completely white, and then we're going to work right into that blue. And don't worry, I know some people get nervous about doing this. I promise this was just in the purple, like literally a minute before I was in this video. And it's okay. So we're going to go a little bit higher and pull some of that blue on, like so. And then we're going to wipe it off. See, look at that. See how fast that blue got away? And we're going to go right back in to our blue here. We're going to go right on top of that white. And we're just going to kind of continue this and work our way up into the arch of our blue, just like that. So we already have a really nice ombre. And now we're going to get into our full blue color again here at the top. And you're just going to keep dabbing on that shape until it's basically filled in. Now I went with little white dots along the top of the purple because the purple is kind of a darker color. Depending on your color is whether or not you want to add that little accent or not. But see, I don't think we'll need it with the blue because the blue is so much of a lighter color. It kind of pops off the rock a little bit more than that purple did. And just like that, we have created a beautiful ombre heart. I mean, how long did that take? I don't have a timer going when I'm live, but I'm pretty sure it didn't even take 5 minutes to do. So just that simple, just that easy. I've got my my 1M white that I used for my lettering on the other one. So maybe I'll go ahead and do that since I feel like this video is super short. It will absorb. I did 2 layers on this one. I assume I'll have to do 2 layers on this one. So I just went with my old school basic cursive on this. just like that. And it's super easy. I mean, how fast was that? I almost feel like it was almost too fast. People are still popping in and saying hi. So hello, everybody. If you have any questions about this, I mean, it was really straight to the point. If you wanted to come up with something similar to this, and if you don't have paint pens, you could just pick 2 colors of paint and start with either side and then blend your colors in the center and use some dotting as well. But like I said, just as long as you clean off the tip of your pen when you're done, it's white. So you can see right there, there's no blue left in there. I know people get nervous about it, but it really blends off very easily. Like you can see, it was just in the purple a minute ago. Again, these are the bigger ones that I have, but you could do this with any size of pens that you have. I just don't use my 5Ms very often, so I thought it'd be a great opportunity to use them today. So there we go. Simple as that. I could ramble on, I guess, but I don't need to. So I hope you give this one a try. If you do, come back, leave it in the comments below. I love seeing you guys creating the tutorials from the page, and we will see you guys all soon. I hope you guys are having fun doing lots and lots of kindness rocks this month. Bye-bye.